I don't mean to chuckle about it, but bad things happen in life, right? Bad things happen in life.
Mhm.
And young lady, you've been through some things that are, in my mind, unimaginable. Court recalls case of Spice Tree Apartments versus Haley Salter.
I come up.
What?
I come up.
Yeah, you come up. All right. I was going to suggest to you a conditional order dismissal on one of the things that I talked about counsel back there, but then realized that I cannot do it. And that's because the co-defendant is not present because he's at his father's funeral. And we knew that last week and do that. I know plaintiff does not want an adjournment, has stated her reasons why, and certainly she can state them again on the record if she wishes to. The court over that objection is going to adjourn it out 1 week. Okay. For that reason. And also, so that would be October 11th, 2024 at 1 p.m. And then at that point, Gavin Wesley will have the opportunity to be present. And then we will proceed from there. Okay. Ms. Dornbush, was there anything else you wanted to say regarding what the court just did in terms of the adjournment?
No, Your Honor, you noted my objection. I don't have authority to approve an additional adjournment on this. I did state my objection to the adjournment, but Your Honor has noted that, and so I've got nothing further.
Yeah, a couple of things. I want you to wait here. Amy, who is our court liaison officer, is going to be here, and I want you to talk with her.
Okay.
She, one of the things that we talked about is there are other options and things like that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got to wait here until she gets here.
Okay.
We'll make sure you talk to her. Haley, I don't mean to chuckle about it, but bad things happen in life, right? Bad things happen in life.
Mhm.
And young lady, you've been through some things that are, in my mind, unimaginable. All right. Give yourself credit for being able to just even get up and stand up. Because there's a lot of folks that wouldn't be able to do that. I can't even, as I said, fathom that. I can't. Sometimes even sitting in this position, I can't get to, I don't have an understanding of what sometimes can just be evil in the world. I can't.
Yeah.
But here's the thing I do know. And that there is also a lot of good in the world. And that for each of those evil folks that are out there, I like to believe that there are 10 times more good people. I don't, and I sometimes when things happen, I don't ask why. I just accept that they do. And Ms. Dornbush had mentioned that these folks were saying they want to help. Those are the good people. No two ways about it. I then, if there wasn't a separation of church and state, I would just say God is good at times, all the time. but certainly at particular times. There's a gentleman, Colin, who's in the courtroom that I met a number of months ago. I didn't know that Colin and I's paths would cross. He had watched me or seen me on YouTube, and we had a brief conversation when it came up. I don't know why he's necessarily here today. I don't. There are things in life I can't explain. I don't know why. It just happens. But it happens for a good reason. And my understanding is he was in touch potentially with the people that were on YouTube, and he's kind of got that set up for you or headed and taught you how to do that. Is that right?
I didn't know anything about it until just now,
Right.
but I don't know how it all works or anything.
Then you and I are in the same boat. But I think was Colin able to help you with that and get the links to you?
I
The
think they
gentleman here in the blue.
exchanged, yeah.
Pardon?
Or I think Andrea gave him a link.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Colin, are you going to help her with that if you can?
Okay.
I really don't know Colin. Colin, thank you. That's all I could say is just thank you. While she may not think she is, I think this young lady's worth it. All right. And I think that whatever people can do to help you out, there's a reason for it happening. Haley, accept it. You've got that, you got a lot of pride. Sometimes that can get in the way. So set that aside for a little bit. Okay. Don't be so stubborn. And the reason I can tell you don't be so stubborn is you're an Aries like I am, and it just comes with us, right? And just let it work its way through. Okay.
Okay.
I have to believe, and I will constantly believe that good things will happen on all of this. Okay.
Okay.
When Amy gets here and you talk to her, she's going to talk about other options for you so that you have those options.
Okay.
All right. And then you can make a decision.
Okay. Thank you.
Haley, you're welcome. And you know what, Haley? I have to thank you. Do you even know what I'm thanking you for?
Oh.
I'm thanking you because I always just count my blessings in life. And I always expect to see a miracle, and I always expect to see a blessing every day, or at least hope for one. Never know what it is. And sometimes it's big ones, sometimes it's small ones. You coming here today, me getting to talk with you, me getting to meet you, that's my blessing for today. So I'm going to thank you for that.
Okay.
Okay. Have a seat. Amy will be here shortly, and we'll get you taken care of. All right. Thank you.
Yes, Judge, that's it for me today. Have a nice afternoon, Judge.
And we keep it working like Oouchie the boss. We trying to catch up like we hit us a fault. We gotta win, ain't taking no loss. We in